Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Consider smashing the like button to show your support. That really helps out a lot with the channel. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Smash the like button, support the channel. Today we're having a look at the Sky Viper Fury. It's a larger size than the Micro, but it's definitely smaller than the Mini. So it's that little size in between. And this guy is gear driven. So it has gear driven props, geared motors, and all that helps with efficiency and everything. And this thing actually sounds really nice. And the operation of the props and all, the geared system is really nice. It sounds really nice and all, sounds of nice quality. And this guy also has a removable battery. So it has everything going for it at first glance. But there are a few problems with this thing. I have a problem with this thing shutting off. I had a problem with range. It's just a buggy little quad here. But this is the transmitter here. It does have altitude hold. So you cannot toggle altitude hold off, just like the little Nano that we did. We did a little Nano a little while ago. And this guy is the same way. It does not turn completely off when you go down on the throttle there. And it does come with an extra set of props. The instructions manual is a fold out here, and it comes with a charger cable here, and it also comes with a snazzy red screwdriver. I can't find it now though. I thought I threw, oh, it is up here. Here's the red screwdriver it comes with. The battery is a 650 milliamp hour battery. It comes with a JST connection there, so pretty common connection. Had everything going for it, but it just doesn't work well. The last thing that it doesn't do well, it has an optical flow sensor here. It actually works well indoors. I got it to hover pretty nicely indoors. It did it on its own actually. But outdoors, this thing is still all over the place. So I don't know why that camera down there isn't working well outdoors in daylight. I haven't tried it at night. But usually optical flow is bad at night when they're using these type of cameras here, because the camera can't see at night. And so pretty disappointed with this guy. I got this off Amazon. Sky Viper used to be found in Walmart a lot, but I haven't seen these things in Walmart in a while. I thought it was a Walmart brand, Sky Viper. But anyhow, this guy is a little lackluster. Let's go check it out on the field. I'm actually going to do 2 flights for this. One at a park area and one at a setting out on a strip, just to look and see if this optical flow sensor works better out on grass. But I know it doesn't work out on cement. So let's go check it out. Alright y'all, so basically I got this Sky Viper out here to see if it can hold position with the optical flow out here on the ground. Then we're going to take it out to a park area and see how it does there. So basically going to give you guys a flight in 2 different spots. I'll try not to make this video too long. So we're going to take off in normal mode. And it's drifting already. Now when I was flying it indoors, it seemed to hold position pretty nicely. But I had a feeling that it was going to act weird out here. And it's just steady drifting. Yeah, this thing is drifting away. It's not trying to hold position. The optical flow isn't working well. I'm going to switch it to sport mode to see if that helps any. We're in sports mode. Nope, it started to drift still. Oh, let me stop it from crashing. But anyhow, let's check it out a little. Do a little flying with it. We're in normal mode. This is the yaw. So yaw, pretty slow. This is side flying. Side flying to the other direction. We're doing forward flight here. forward flight is pretty fast for a normal mode. And so let's go to sport mode. So we're in sport mode now. Let's look at the yaw. Yaw seems to be a little faster, but still slow. This is the best of a funnel you can get. Forward flight. Oh, that's pretty fast. Really fast, actually. So let's bring it down. Climbed on me a little. And it looked like I had a little delay with the response of it when I was trying to bring it back. So this is side flying here. You could do a flip, it's flashing, so I'm not sure if that's the LVC. It's usually an audible LVC. So I'm gonna see if I'm able to flip it. Yep, I did a forward flip while moving forward. It's supposed to do a barrel roll. Let's try that again and try to do a barrel roll. There it is, that's a barrel roll. If you're pressing forward and you press that stunt button, it'll do a barrel roll. Oh, and it didn't. And it's losing connection. Sheesh. Yeah, it lost connection just now. I was in out of control of it. It was out of control. So the range isn't too good on this guy. Be careful of that, definitely. Yeah, it's acting really weird now. He's trying to go up in the air on me. I'm gonna bring it down and land this guy. Yeah, I didn't do any of that. It just acts really weird when you're trying to fly it and you run into a bump or maybe just jerk it the wrong way too fast. It seems like it just wants to try to fly away for a second. And then if you get too far from yourself, it just loses connection. Not a good connection with this guy. I've had problems with some Sky Vipers with connection in this area. So hopefully it'll be better when we get to the park area. Alright y'all, we at the second location with this thing. So let's hope that this will behave better out here than it did on the strip, because this guy was trying to fly away on me. Okay, so we're connected. Let's take off with it. This time we're just going to press up on the left stick to pick it up. Let's see. Nope, it's still not holding position. The optical flow sensor is not working well. It does work well indoors, so it's confusing. I don't know why it doesn't. It's not really doing anything. Not sure if there's a way you can toggle it on or off. I didn't see anything about that in the manual, and I don't see an extra button on it to say that you can. So I guess we're just gonna fly this guy around. Let's go into sport mode. Wow, it just tried to fly towards me really fast, really hard. Let me go to sport mode. We're in sport mode now. Still not holding position. So let's just fly it around. Let's do some flips. Side flip to the right, left flip. Let's do a forward flip. Forward flip was nice. Backwards flip, a little crooked. Let's try it again. So did it nice that time. And yeah, I'm getting a slight delay in control when I fly it too far away. Let's see how far can I get it. And still control it. I'm still control. Up, it's going down. Yeah, this guy's not that good with range, so you got to keep this guy close. And it went down on me. I don't know what that was about. But let's try to straighten it out. We're fighting the squirrels. We want to go out with the two sticks, the lower outside corners. not really balancing out. Did it well enough, I guess. Let's try a barrel roll. Oh, it's going down. I guess I was too far away. So not really good range over this guy. Not that good with distance. Barrel roll. Try another barrel roll. Hope it did a frontwards flip. So you're okay with this as long as you're flying it close like this. The range is unacceptable if you ask me. Because you're not going to be flying this close all the time, especially if you're not a beginner. You're going to be flying this guy a little further. And I'm having a problem with it just turning off on me too. So I think we've seen all we need to see with this guy here. A little lackluster in range performance. It flies okay. I think the flight rates are pretty good. The yaw's a little too slow. It does give an audible. Actually, let's fly this guy a little around. Let's fly this guy around a little more until we get the LVC, so you guys can at least see the audible warning that it gives for LVC. I'm scared to do some proximity with it because it loses connection. Maybe I'll just stay close like this, fly around the trees and stuff. Uh-oh. Getting nervous, I flew kind of far. Oh. Around the trees, around this way. The controls aren't as snappy as I would like them to be. Oh, almost hit that tree there. Move closer. And it did a flip on me. I think I might have hit the stunt button though, trying to duck it because it tried to take my head off. Yeah, it just cut off on me. And then I started the motors back up by pressing up with the sticks. And it just went down. It was already on its descent. So this guy is acting a little wacky on me. Let's throw it down here. Hopefully we can get it leveled out, take off again. I guess we're just going to do some flips with it. Because I'm not having fun trying to fly it around the trees because it's not really responding that well. A back flip, do a forward flip. Oh, it did a barrel roll. I forgot if you're pressing forward, it's going to do a barrel roll when you hit the button. That's a pretty nice feature with it, I think. And if you want to do a front flip, you can let go for a second of the forward flight and then go back to it again and you'll do a forward flip. If you constantly hold the forward flight and press the stunt button, it's going to do a barrel roll. The barrel roll looks cool. Oh, we're out of range. It tries to go down at least it doesn't go up in the air when it's out of range. It just flies. It kind of pitch forward a little, or whatever side it might pitch to the left or right, and it'll go down. It doesn't just continue to fly up in the air. That's a good thing. Oh, see, he almost went down there. It just pitches all the way forward and tries to fly down. That's not good, but I guess it's better than just flying away on you. But then again, you never know what these things might do when you lose connection with them. So losing connection is never good. Okay, where are we up there? Okay, we're getting the audible now. You guys hear that? I wish it would stay still. I wish the optical flow sensor worked outside. I don't know if it's using infrared or something weird like that, because it works indoors. I was flying it in a small room and it stayed put for me. But this is definitely not an indoor flyer. And I say that because when you bump any little bump with this guy, and it wants to fly up in the air hard, so you'll find yourself hitting the ceiling a lot. Let's see if we can do a flip when it's at LVC. Nope, no stunts at LVC. So let's try to bring this thing down. I'm going to try to land it in my hand. So that's it. I don't think this guy is a keeper at all. I don't think you should purchase this guy. I don't advocate it. There's just too many things wrong with it. Thanks for watching.